I'm saying my heart is sore that MEC Masuku, who has been doing such good work in helping us to respond to COVID, faces these allegations. But we can't close our eyes to it.
Gauteng Health MEC Dr. Bandile Masuku is stepping aside pending the outcome of investigations into whether he influenced the awarding of an irregular tender worth over 125 million rand for personal protective equipment. Masuku will now be replaced by Transport MEC Jacob Mamabolo for the next 4 weeks.
As the Premier of Gauteng, I'm therefore giving MEC Masuku leave of absence. Initially for the next 4 weeks, we're hoping that all these investigations will be completed in this period so that the full report of the Special Investigation Unit comes to the fore. And these many allegations that have been thrown his way, it is not advisable for him to be bedeviled by those instead of focusing on the battle in our hands.
Makura says the Special Investigating Unit has been probing whether there were companies that were paid but didn't deliver since June. It's also getting to the bottom of whether there were items that were overcharged.
An amount of 1 billion rand which could have been paid to companies that were stopped. And subsequently, many of those contracts were being cancelled.
The Gauteng Premier refused to give the details of whether King Madzikane II Diko is amongst those who overinflated prices and delivered the PPE, despite claiming to have never received a cent from the health department.
If somebody says, I've delivered my stuff, I'm coming to fetch it, so be it. But all we know is that there's an investigation now, if you like. This is a scene of crime. This is a crime scene. They just need to chill. They must wait until the investigation is completed. Don't try to say you are coming to fetch because we didn't pay you. You are coming to fetch your stuff. That stuff itself may be a subject of investigation.
The Premier says there's no definitive timeline for when the SIU will complete its probe, but his office is working closely with the unit to identify the perpetrators. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Omonde.